Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome to GFX Farhan. In this video, I will show you how to composite Houdini fire or any CG fire in Nuke to achieve a good, cool and realistic result. So first of all, on the viewer, click on it and press S to open its project setting properties. And in project setting, change your frame range or select your frame range and change your full format size. I am using HD version, and then I rendered this in SS color space. So here I change it to OCIO, and here I check SS 1.2. Okay, then after that, now this is the result that comes from Houdini after rendering. This is my result. Now here I add a shuffle node and change it to all emission because I render it with AOEs. So this is my fire on the separate layer, and if I select this is my background, which I use direct for this, direct and indirect. Okay, now first of all I am showing this effect because I added glow on this, which is the cool part. Now my fire look like this, which have no glow. Okay, and not looking cool. Here I add a color correct node, and in color correct node I decrease my saturation to 0.9 because my fire is very saturated. So I decrease my saturation to 0.5. In your case, if it is necessary, then decrease it. If not necessary, then don't decrease it. And here I decrease my gain to 0.6. By default it is 1. I decrease it to 0.6 because my glow, or this is my glow input. Okay, then let me off this. First of all, I add a blur node. Okay, I add a blur node and name it tight glow and connect this to my color correct. If I switch to here, it's look like this and my size is 40. Okay, this is my tight glow with Gaussian 16, and then I add a merge node and change operation to screen and connected my merge with this color node. Okay, if I switch to this, now my tight glow are added. Okay, then again I copy the blur node. Let me close this for now. Then I again copy this and name it medium glow and connect separate to the color. Okay, not to this one. It is also connected to this one. Okay, this is my medium glow. In my medium glow, size is 100. Okay, and filter is 16. Then I add a merge node and change operation to screen. Now my tight glow is added and medium glow is also added. Okay, let me close all these. I will show you later. Then again I copy the blur node and connect it to color correct and name it soft glow. And in soft glow I change my size to 300 and this is my soft glow. Again I add a merge node and change the operation to screen. Now it's look like this. Then again I take another copy and name it white glow and change the size to 900. And this is also connected to the color correct node. Okay, then I add again a merge node and change my operation to screen. Now my tight, medium, soft and white glow all are added. Okay, now my result is look like this. Okay, and wait a minute, I explain this. Now in here, this is my direct node, this is my indirect node, and this is color correct. But here I think I don't change anything here, and in direct and indirect are here merge with screen. Okay, this is used for denoise. Let me close this, and defocus is also close this. It is not necessary for now. And this is my fire with glow and this is my background, and I merge them here. Okay, and also operation is screen, but you can also use, I think, over also you can use, but I use screen because it goes here and over give me problem at here. These are also this part of this is the glow, same this I copy it. Okay, same thing. Now my glow is look like this, which is not pleasant look. Then I add a grade node on the medium glow. Okay, let me on this. In the medium, if I switch to this and you can see the result, it's look like this. In grade node I change my black point to 0.5 and click on the black clamp. Okay, now it's give me little bit tight glow, you can see the result. Okay, and if I show you here, it also use this. If I on and off this grade, it look like this. By here I add white point to 2 and click on the black clamp. Okay, this is necessary. Then if I switch here and on off this, it's look like this. Here I change black point to 2 and white point to 3. In this black point 1 and white point to 2, and in this black point is 0.5 and white point is 1. Okay, now all these three grades are on. Now see the result. Now it's look like this. If I select both, if I select all of these, and by on and off, see the difference. Okay, and now this glow is give me very beautiful result. Now my fire is looking here dull or less bright. Then I add a grade node here, and here in this grade node I increase my gain to 4. Okay, by on and off you can see the result. Okay, and then I add a color correct node, and in this color correct node I only decrease my shadow gain to 0.5, mid-tone gain to 0.75, and highlight are by default. Now it gives me this type of glow, and I am very happy with this result. And this is the also the same things. If I change it, this is my final result. So I hope you learned something from this, and please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss the new updates, and see you in another video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.